Designing a kid's bedroom is an exciting opportunity to blend creativity with functionality, creating a space that is both playful and practical. Begin by selecting a theme or color palette that resonates with the child's interests. When choosing a color scheme for a kid's room, it's essential to create an environment that's both stimulating and soothing. A popular choice is to use a combination of soft pastel shades like mint green, baby blue, and blush pink. These colors provide a calming backdrop that can be easily accented with bolder hues, such as sunshine yellow or coral, through accessories like pillows, rugs, or artwork. Another idea is to embrace a nature-inspired palette, incorporating earthy tones like sage green, sky blue, and warm beige, which can bring a sense of tranquility and connection to the outdoors. For a more vibrant and playful atmosphere, consider a primary color scheme with red, blue, and yellow, or opt for a monochromatic approach with different shades of a single color, like shades of purple or teal. Whatever scheme you choose, ensure it reflects the child's personality and interests, creating a space where they feel comfortable and inspired. Incorporate furniture that is both safe and adaptable, such as bunk beds with built-in storage or a desk that can transition from an art station to a homework hub as the child grows. Utilize wall decals or murals for easy-to-update decor, and consider including a chalkboard or whiteboard wall for creative expression. Incorporate plenty of soft textiles, like rugs and cushions, to create a cozy atmosphere, and ensure ample storage solutions to keep toys and books organized. Personal touches, such as displaying artwork or favorite toys, can make the space uniquely theirs, fostering a sense of ownership and pride in their personalized haven. Lighting is another essential element to consider when designing a child's bedroom. Opt for a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to cater to various activities and moods. A central ceiling fixture can provide general illumination, while desk lamps or clip-on lights are ideal for reading or homework. String lights or nightlights add a whimsical touch and provide comfort during nighttime. Incorporate elements that encourage play and learning, such as a reading nook with a comfy chair or bean bag, or a small table for crafts and puzzles. If space allows, consider adding a tent or canopy for a touch of adventure, creating a cozy retreat where imagination can run wild. Remember to involve the child in the design process as much as possible, allowing them to express their ideas and preferences. This not only ensures the space truly resonates with them but also fosters creativity and decision-making skills. With thoughtful planning and a touch of imagination, you can create a bedroom that is not only a place to sleep but a magical haven where your child can dream, play, and grow.